नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. विशय महत्वाचो आसा तो म्हळ्यार ओडीपींचो आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅनांचो. ज्या सरकाराक 3.5 वर्सां कंप्लीट जावन पसून रिजनल प्लॅन जाग्यार घालपाची टायमूय मेळना आनी संदी मेळना, त्या सरकाराक अकस्मात सगळे आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन्स ओपन करचेशे दिसतात आनी जितली बेगीन जाता तितले बेगीन तातूंत भितर करेक्शन्स, एडिशन्स, ऑल्टरेशन्स ह्या सगळे गजाली खातीर हे सगळे प्लॅन्स ओपन करचे दिसतात. ओपोजिशन म्हणटा हातूंत भितर स्कॅम आसा, सरकार म्हणटा गरज आसा. स्कॅम काय गरज हो आयचो मुद्दो आनी 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. परफेक्ट पॅनल आसा. पयले आसात ते म्हळ्यार आदले आमदार, काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी स्पोक्सपर्सन आग्नेल फर्नांडीस. स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात ते म्हजे बरोबर नॉर्थ गोवा पीडीएचे चेअरमॅन आनी भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार मायकल लोबो. स्वागत. आनी तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर ताळगांवचे फुडारी. तांकां भाजपाचे फुडारी म्हणप काय ना हें म्हाका दिसता डिबेट मुखार वतलें तशें कळटलें. दत्तप्रसाद नायक. स्वागत. अनलो, वेल स्टार्ट विथ यू. योर पार्टी इज कॉलिंग इट अ स्कॅम. Why scam? And even your party has done these kind of things in the past. So why now accuse them of scams?
No, it's not only my party. The people of Goa are calling it a scam. You see, particularly with regards to Kalangud and Kandolim, PDA was imposed upon us despite the opposition of the people of the villages, both the villages. And now this ODP, there are so many things before you do a ODP. There should be a land use plan. That is not been done. So why this ODP now? People want to know, is it going to benefit the locals or is it going to benefit the builders? His argument that the main roads should be reduced from 25 meters to 15 meters and the village roads, interior roads, to be extended from 3 meters to 6 meters. I cannot understand this logic. Normally, all over the world, you broaden the main roads. Here, he wants to reduce the width of the main roads, congest the main roads, and then open out the village roads, which small villages have got their properties.
So you are suspecting that all this has been done to benefit the builders lobby?
Definitely.
This is completely to benefit the real estate lobby.
His friends in the building lobby.
Okay, his friends in the building lobby. What about rest of the ODPs? There also you are suspecting a rat, smelling a rat?
Yes, why suddenly you open now? RP is to be brought out. The government came to power riding on the sentiments of the people and the social civil society that RP should come. Congress was thrown out. You keep that in deep freezer for 3.5 years and now you want to open ODP. Why not RP first?
हांव मायकला मरे वच्चे पयलीं आयलो गो टू दत्तप्रसाद. ताळगांवचो जेन्ना 2006चोच प्लॅन सारको अभ्यास केलो तुवें तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता तूंच भरपूर पिकार जालो, आबूज जालो, राग आयलो आनी करता तुमचेंच सरकार. एंड दीस इज बियॉन्ड पॉलिटिक्स, आय नो. बट हाव वूड यू रिएक्ट टू इट? तालिगांवची ODP ओपन जाल्या आणि मायकल बाब तुझ्या सायडीनच बसला. वॉट आर युअर क्वेश्चन्स टू हिम अँड वॉट आर युअर कन्सर्न्स?
पयलीं म्हणजे आतां मायकलान एक बरो स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आसा, सेइंग दॅट ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू टच द एग्रीकल्चर लँड. इफ ही स्टँड्स बाय दॅट, पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव ताचो सत्कार करतले हाडून ताका. बट हाऊ फार इज स्टँड बाय दॅट?
यू हॅव डाउट्स?
आय हॅव डाउट्स. बट एक हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां, आतां जशें आग्नेल बाबान म्हणलें की इट्स अ स्कॅम. आय वूड नॉट से इट्स अ स्कॅम. हें आग्नेल बाबान जर 2006 म्हणिल्लें न्ही जाल्यार आज ताका अधिकार आशिल्लो म्हणटा. स्कॅम जाला 2006. डेफिनेटली करेक्शन्स तातूंत जावपाक जाय. रस्ते कितकेशेच दाखयल्ले आसा, शेतांच्यान दाखयल्ले आसा, वीच आर व्हेरी डेंजरस फॉर द लायफ ऑफ एवरी रेजिडेंट इन तालिगांव, वेदर ही स्टेईंग इन अ रियल इस्टेट ऑर वेदर ही इज अ विलेजर. ते करेक्ट करपाक सारकें गरजेचें आसा. शेतां राखपाची सामकें गरजेचें आसा. आनी काँग्रेसीक म्हणटा तो अधिकारूच ना आमचेर कितें एलिगेशन करपाक, कित्याक हो 2006 पळय जो जाल्लो ताळगांवची वाट लावपाक जबाबदार ते आसा.
आता तुमचेच सरकार ओपन करता करेक्शन्स आनी ऑल्टरेशन्सा खातीर सामकें मुभा दिवन दवरल्या सारकी. And you are fighting against it. So it is Congress or it is BJP? The end result is same for Mike.
No, it is not the same, because in 2006, Congress leadership from Taligaon supported that, whereas in 2015 now, the BJP team from Taligaon will not support any wrongdoings. We will oppose every wrongdoing, if any, in the ODP.
But in 2006, it was not opposed. The local body, the panchayat, had also approved it. Also, like Michael was saying, there was a honeymoon marriage between the Taligaon and Panjim MLA at that time. So during the honeymoon, nobody objected.
you are saying
There
The
was no
question of
objection.
honeymoon doesn't arise in
Are you-
Taligaon.
are you- are you-
There was no
2006
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऑपोजिशन
I know, but they never.
No, no, no,
They
no.
never-
Party was not
they
active
never-
in Taligaon.
My question
Congress did all the
I'll come to Michael. I'll come to
scam
you.
over there.
Are you saying that the marriage between Taligaon and Panji no longer exists?
No, no, no. I don't know. The marriage exists. According to Michael, it exists.
According to Michael, it exists.
At that time, there was honeymoon. Then they fight. They have a honeymoon again. Now, the other parties, other bride, maybe Datta Prasad, he is not taken into confidence. He might be the other bride.
No, no, no.
At
तसं
that time,
काहीच ना.
No, but the marriage is
the
going on
question
now,
of-
according to Michael. So at that time, there was
एक
marriage.
लक्षात ठेवा.
At that time, there was marriage. The honeymoon was going on. Nobody
So the
objected.
marital status between Panjikars and Talgaonkars is still not single.
Not single.
Not single. Okay. I'll come to you.
Panjekar is a Taligaonkar today.
Panjikar is a Talgaonkar.
He is staying in Taligaon.
Michael,
आणि एक लक्षात दवर वी हॅव फुल कॉन्फिडन्स इन आर लिडरशिप. आमच्या प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ते आमकां आमच्या लिडरशिपी सामके विश्वास आसा आणि वी नो दॅट आर लिडरशिप इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग सच विच इज गोइंग टू इफेक्ट द पीपल ऑफ
but you still have doubts about whether Michael will be able to stick to his statement or no.
पळय कितें आसा आतां ताणें आपलें क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिल्लें आसा अँड वी एक्सेप्ट इट बट हाऊ फार ही इज गोइंग टू स्टँड ते आमी बडी घेवन रावतले न्ही.
आता बुडी घेऊन तुम्ही रावल्यातच.
फाल्यां तर तो
झाल्यानंतर झाल्यानंतर
ना ताका आमी ऑलरेडी डिमांडेड की जावच्या पयलीं आमकां पयलीं दाखय कितें न्हय नाल्यार आमी एज्युटेट करपाक रेडी.
I'll come to the technicalities of जावच्या पयलीं आमकां दाखय, but I'll give Michael full chance. You are in this eye of the storm.
See, I am not in the eye of a storm. People will actually see what I am going to do. Taligaon ODP जो आज ओपन झाला 2006 फायनल झालो. आज 2016 पावला मी 10 years झाले 15 झाले 9 years कंप्लीट झाले. जे एरर्स तितून आहा जे डेलिबरेट एरर्स केल्ले आहा जे चुकून घडलेले आनी डेलिबरेट कितकेच जाणांची लँड आता कितलेच जाण भाडकार थिंगा आसले तेंची लँड इन्स्टिट्यूशनल झोन केल्ली आहा. सेटलमेंट झोन आसली ती इन्स्टिट्यूशनल केल्ली आहा. तेंका इन्स्टिट्यूट घालपाचेच ना थिंगा. कोणाची लँड सेटलमेंट आसली ती ऑर्चर्ड केल्या. खूप जाणांची लँड शेतां आहा पळय थिंगा सेटलमेंट केल्ल्या. जे कोणे बांदूंक ना ते हांवें वयल्यान कॅटेगरिकल स्टेटमेंट केला. आय विल रिवर्स दॅट लँड. आय हॅव गॉट मेनी थिंग्स. as long as I will remain as a chairman, I have said that I will not allow any paddy field to come into settlement. This is my first statement and I stand by it.
As long as I remain as chairman of PDA.
Of course, how will I stop it?
And your term ends in next 3 months.
No, that is with the government to give extension on the term.
No, his term will be extended as long as he keeps quiet against the government.
No.
As long as he stops shouting
See,
against the government, as long as he says there is no
I will
prostitution,
not allow
there is no
anything-
drugs, then he will be extended.
I
If he starts shouting
will
against the
not allow
government, his
any
term will be
fishy
ended.
things to happen.
No, but
I will not allow.
what according to you is
Michael,
fishy?
let us.
What
let us-
I
according
have
to you
got
is
some.
fishy?
No, फिशी म्हणजे आधी फिशी झाला थिंगा
but-
शेतां कन्वर्ट
No,
केल्ल्या.
but are you saying
रोड
that-
दाखवल्या
no,
शेतांसून.
now tell me one thing.
जिंगा घरात ना.
No, Michael Bob, are you
roads to nowhere.
You tell me one thing, the land which was acquired for university to set up more colleges or whatever in that, थिंगा 25 meter internal road दाखवला. ते लोकांकूय नाका तो आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीकूय नाका तो. आता कोण काडटलो तो?
No, but at that time it was
But
open.
university
ODP was
is
open.
open, but universities of
the
Ishaq
Penji
People
People
MLA
had objected. People had
No,
also
Michael,
objected.
Penji
let us
MLA
come-
was
Let us come
a
to the main
member
village. No,
of the
are
PDA.
you saying that the old ODP was wrong?
Of course.
Okay. Now, if you say that the old ODP was wrong,
Not wrong. There
The
are
person
errors
was
in
at the
that.
okay.
Errors
Right.
are there. Major errors are there which need to be
त्या
corrected.
timer, the person who was representing Taligaon was Babush Mansarat in 2006. Huh?
He was the MLA.
Okay. Now you are trying
Who
to
was the chairman?
now Nilkant Dalankar.
Yeah.
Now you are trying to correct it with his wife. So कसले correction करतलो? She is the only
she-
member who is representing Taligaon. There is
she-
not a local villager on the board of PDA.
She is the MLA.
Without taking any local
of Taligaon.
villagers into confidence, how you expect to do
See,
the
we
changes?
have kept the
जे
plan
गोवान
open.
वाईट केला ते बायल कशी सारखे करतले
ना,
हाचे
ना,
उत्तर
ले-
दिवंक जाय आमकां.
Let me be very frank. The plan is open. Datta Prasad is free to put all his suggestions with the plan. आता प्लॅन त्याने त्याच्या मंडलान काल आमच्या कडसून प्लॅन येला ऑफिशियली येला ओडीपी प्लॅन येला तालिगांवचो. So let them do whatever things which is wrong on 2006. We will go deep into that. We will do site inspection if required. Then we will change whatever they are pointing
I'll
out
come
what
to
is
that.
wrong
Okay.
and
Correct.
actually wrong,
Agnel Babu,
which should be corrected.
your
We
argument
take people
is-
into confidence. Who said no?
Your argument
One
is
time is there for that.
No,
One
no, no,
month.
but the question is not of 1
One
month.
month
तू आता
time
2
is
महिने
there.
दी. But जेन्ना तू final करतलो,
Yeah.
will you keep that for us to see?
No, we will bring you.
No, 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 no. It is not a question of Dr. Prasad Naik here. It is a question of 26,500 Taligaonkars.
No, it is not only
Panchayati
Taligaon. It is a
Panchayati
question
and
of
general
Goa.
public are
Let us be
open
very
floor.
frank. It is also a
After
question of
correction.
Goa. When we are doing ODP for Taligaon, it is ODP for Goa. It is.
बरे
गोव्यानूच येता न्हू
After
Taligaon. It is
correction,
not some
will you allow the
independent
people-
kingdom of Taligaon.
After-
We will see that the people who have objected will also invite them
Okay.
to see that we have done correction.
Agnel Babu is
No,
the
no, no,
most
no, no.
Agnel
Doing
Babu
म्हाका
corrections
इतकेंच तुजे कडल्यान हय काय ना ते सिंपल हातून
कितें?
सांग
कितें?
की जेन्ना तूं तुजें सगळें करेक्शन करून मोकळो जालो मागीर तूं ताळगांवच्या लोकांक तो फायनल करच्या पयलीं
कितल्या जाणांक
पळोवपाक
आपोव-
दितलो काय
कोणे
ना
कोणे आमकां सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन दिला तेंकां आपोवया न्हू.
ओके
Okay.
Appoint-
This is a clear-cut commitment.
Yeah,
I think
we
Agnel
call
Babu is in a very comfortable position looking at two BJP leaders questioning each other. Your argument is your government did it in 2006, but Panji MLA was also a member of the committee. He did not object. That is your argument.
No, I will interrupt you.
Okay.
I have seen on record the books of the minutes of the of that time. I went through all the minutes. I have seen that Honorable ex-Chief Minister, आमचो Chief Minister आता आलो तो ex-Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar objected on the ODP of Taligaon. He objected.
and he has also gone on record in his various meetings he has
That-
said protect Taligaon from land sharks.
Okay.
No, he has objected, but his objection was overruled by
Absolutely.
the.
Yeah.
So
Congress
if
government.
it can be overruled, what is the guarantee now you all are not going to overrule?
See, what I have said, if I am going to do wrong things, I will not want to be a party to to signing that
Michael,
plan.
let me ask you a direct question.
Let us be
There
very
is
frank.
too much pressure on you right now
There
from
is-
various quarters to get things done.
See, there is
the way-
there is absolutely
Some
no
of
pressure.
your-
I understand what you are trying to tell me. Michael Lobo does not come under pressure.
But Michael Lobo is facing pressure.
No,
I will tell you,
let there be as much of pressure.
But there
I
is
don't come
pressure.
under pressure.
Michael, I am not going into.
I will
am
not come
going
under
into
pressure.
whether you will
No,
give-
Michael Bob, let's not get into this pressure and हे सगळें. We want, let us talk on the ODP. Okay? ODP चेर म्हाका
No, Dr. Prasad, there is pressure is
म्हाका एक
important
सांग,
because your leaders are putting
No,
the
no,
pressure
no.
on him.
No,
No,
my
no, no.
leader-
Your party,
No, no, my
your
leaders-
party leaders are putting a pressure
No,
on
no,
him.
no.
My leaders will never allow anything wrong to
See.
happen.
Congress.
And Michael is a MLA of Bharatiya Janata
Congress
Party.
leaders
I am
are
also
not-
confident he is not
Maka-
going to
Congress leaders are not
Are you
pressurizing
sure?
Michael.
Maka-
Your leaders are
Maka-
pressurizing Michael.
No, no,
Maka इतकं
not a single leader of Bharatiya Janata Party has approached me or
Congress
has
is pressurizing
pressurized me.
now. Michael Bob,
but if
Nobody
you're
has
sure about your
pressurized
party,
me.
if
you
you're
have,
sure
you
about
have
your
said
party,
on record, you have said on record that you are not going to convert agricultural land.
100%. Why
Yes.
should?
ओके आणि तुवें आनी एक म्हणलां की आपूण असो वचचो ना आपूण असो वतलो ताळगांवच्या लोकांक इतक्याय वयर व्हरनाका की आमकां सकल केन्ना पडटलें तें कळचें ना सो वी
ना,
डोंट वॉन्ट
we
टू
will-
हाय रायझीस
No, but
No.
Dr. Prasad,
No.
if you trust your leadership, why are you even objecting?
Okay, okay.
Why are you
Very,
objecting?
very valid
It
point from
comes
Agnel
from-
Babu. Yeah, very
Why are
valid.
you objecting? If you trust your leadership, why are you objecting to the ODP? Trust your leadership.
हांगा
and
आतां
keep
ही
quiet.
ओडीपी कोण करता आणि कोण बसून करता हे आमकां अजून खबर ना आय डोंट
Your government, your MLA, your government.
पळय कितें आसा तू सगळे एमएलए करनाका तो
Government
प्लेन
म्हणटा.
घेवन बसना
Government and MLA.
कोण आर यू हॅव्हिंग सम गुड जिओलॉजिस्ट विथ यू हू हॅज स्टडीड द सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ तालिगांव
He should tell you.
आय एम आस्किंग हिम ओनली
See, ODP is the right of Planning and Development Authority given by Town and Country. Bhadla Town and Country
Absolutely.
Planning
Nobody
Act.
is questioning your
Now,
right.
जे wrong कितें जाला तितून आमी मेजर करेक्शन करतले. आता तुम्ही जो तर तेजेरूय माझेर प्रेशर हाडटा अहे कहे करतले तहे कहे करतले गेले उपरांत सांगा की बाबा मायकलान रॉंग केला वा राईट केला.
I will ask you a simple basic question. तुम्ही अजून रिजनल प्लॅनाक हात घालो ना तुम्ही रिजनल प्लॅन काढून कोल्ड स्टोरेज उडयला तुम्ही ताजे हयी म्हणनात नाही म्हणनात डिसिजनय घेनात. What was the urgency to open ODPs? What was the
See,
what
I will
happened?